What's going on, everybody? Ross Ramsey here with RP Elite Motors and Marine. I'm going to do a walkthrough today on this vehicle we got in on consignment. This truck is out of the Oklahoma area. It's a 2021 Ford F450 Platinum Edition, 9,200 miles. Let's walk through. First thing that you see is this beautiful matte gray wrap from front to back, bumpers, grille, mirror caps, the whole nine. You don't see wrinkles, you don't see seams, and you can see this truck has been babied. It is a one-owner truck. Kelderman shocks, powder-coated gloss black, Kelderman air ride. Go to the tires. These are not your cheap tires. These are Nitto Trail Grappler 38-13-50 24. Come right in here on the wheels. Look at this, beautiful. It's a tan copper finish, bronze if you will, but it is more of a tinted clear on it. So looks a little black, looks tan, I like it. JTX center caps, you can see the inlays are done in black. Black true spikes, looks good, good contrast. We'll come to the rear, same setup obviously. And Kenzie will show you the undercarriage of this truck. It has been completely babied. No rust, no chips. Like I said, 2021, 9,200 miles, all right? Tinted tail lights in the rear, wrap again, rigid rear bumper lights. Does have a flush mount bed cover. With a bed slide. That's cool, like that. We'll come back over here. Train horns in the back. Kelderman overlays done in gloss black with that tan copper bronze tone. And then one feature that we forgot up front, and I can't believe I forgot it. It does have a headache style rooftop. Those are 12 rigid lights. Yes, 12 up top. These lights have been peeled, painted, the matte silver to match. So looks great. And then you got your bronze all through here with contrast. And then you got three more, if you couldn't see already, three rigid cube lights up front. Let's hop on the inside. This is your typical loaded platinum. This puppy does have black interior, and that is my favorite package when they have, I call it the black marble look, but it's black wood grain. I love that look. Your airlift system up there, and Kenzie will hop in. Full moonroof, of course, standard. Hop up in there and show them. Even smells new. So this does have your fifth wheel backup camera. Everything's still in the packaging from Ford, not even opened. And that's her, all right? Of course, you got your running boards that all Platinums feature, rock lights. So I'll tell you this, here's what I'm asking for this truck. I'm asking $121,995, all right? 2021 F450 Kelderman Kit, 24 JTXs, powder coated overlays, rock lights, the whole cut and match here, all right? Comment on this video, shoot me a message. If you tell me you watch this video, I'll sell this truck for $119,900, all right? Don't hit me at $114, I'm gonna say no. $119,900, it's your truck. Comment that you saw this video and you saw my pretty face. I'm leaving, see ya.